How to buy shares of Herc Holdings is the question we will answer today. Herc Holdings rents heavy equipment and supports construction projects, and its shares trade on NASDAQ under the ticker HRI. This is an educational tutorial and not financial advice. To buy HRI, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and then add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the HRI ticker to find the listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ entry to locate the correct Herc Holdings stock. Open the Herc Holdings stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure this is the correct asset. Tap Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading reopens. And if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once completed, your HRI position will appear in your portfolio. If you want to follow these steps, the link to eToro is in the description.